In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get your motorcycle license in Michigan. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you a general overview of the process of acquiring your motorcycle license in Michigan. To start, I want to highlight that all of the information that I'm going to talk about in this video can be acquired on the Michigan government website. So all that you have to do is go over to michigan.gov/SOS. When you arrive at this page, you will be able to find all of the necessary information that I'm going to refer to in this video. To start, I also want to go over the eligibility. You must be at least 18 years old and you must have a valid Michigan state ID. So now you will be able to start this by going over to license and ID and then selecting motorcycle riders. In here, you can browse through all of the options. To start, you will have to acquire your endorsement. So as you can see, you can add an endorsement online, but even though you can start this process online, it is unlikely that you will be able to finish it all. So keep that in mind. But as you can see, you need to be at least 18 years old, have a valid Michigan driver's license, have passed either an approved motorcycle rider education course or a rider skills test offered by an approved driver testing business. So you can choose whichever one you prefer. You can visit online services here and you will be able to browse through all of the options. If the service is unavailable, you can try again later or just keep reloading the page. I would also recommend scheduling an office visit. This will help you answer any questions that you might have and go over the entire process. You will have all of the options here, so online, by mail, self-service station, and office visit. And all of these are going to have their own requirements. As soon as you are done with this, you will be able to get all of the instructions and use all of the services provided on the website. So they have every single service that you might need here, and you can just go according to the name. So in summary, you need to complete a motorcycle safety course, obtain a temporary instructional permit, and take the road skills tests if needed. And with all of that done, you can visit a Secretary of State office. You can also find this information here to schedule a visit. And like I said, if you are unable to get in, you just have to keep reloading the page. As soon as you schedule that visit, bring your valid driver's license, TIP, and proof of course completion. Pay the required fees, take an optional vision test, and you will be able to get your driver's license in Michigan. It is now going to be available for motorcycles, and you can schedule everything through the website or the mobile app if you prefer. If you encounter any problems while trying to do this, like I said, I recommend visiting a branch or an office because they will be able to answer any questions that you might be having about the whole process. I hope I was able to help you on how to get your motorcycle license in Michigan. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.